At HAPLAST, we continuously invest in advanced technology to deliver high-quality plastic packaging solutions to global markets. Our modern printing system is capable of printing up to 12 colors on a single plastic bag in one printing process. With advanced printing technology, every design is reproduced with sharp details, vibrant colors, and outstanding accuracy. From simple designs to complex multicolor graphics, our printing machines ensure consistent quality and exceptional visual appeal. The entire process is carefully controlled by our experienced technical team and supported by modern production lines. This allows HAPLAST to handle large volume orders with fast production speed, stable quality, and international standards. HAPLAST, enhancing plastic packaging value with advanced 12-color printing technology.